I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert, and I build bodies that shut down rooms, baby.
381, 143 pounds. So it works. Come on, let's get it. I was 275 when I delivered my child. I am down 70 pounds. The moment I watched the video, I knew you was going to be the person to change my life.
So if you tired of your Pooch, get my Super Stomach Shredder membership at KENYAFIED.com and get my other products too right now. I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert, and I'm going to give you my top 3 moves that's going to help you get rid of your Pooch. Yeah, I know you hate your Pooch, but here's the deal. It's sexy season. It's event season, and you don't want to be walking around all upright like this because somebody that had to lock you into some kind of contraption, just for you to look good. No. I need for you to be free-flowing, baby. I need for you to be tight. I mean, just size tight. So I'm going to give you 3 moves that's going to help you with that. Also, too, shoot, if you're trying to lose 20 to 40 pounds in the next 30 days, shoot, get my Super Stomach Shredder. That's the ketone. That's going to curb your appetite. And it's the Brazilian burn, which burns stomach fat, back fat, love handles, and on top of it, I'm going to give you a free month of online workouts. I'm going to become your accountability coach. And I'm personally going to help you look like a superstar this spring and this summer. I'm going to personally ensure and guarantee that you look like the way you need to be looking this spring and summer because I'm going to help you shut down rooms. So enjoy. Now here's the alternative to this move. Just in case you can't get down on the floor and do it like that, you can get 2 chairs, 2 stools, and you can be here. So you can be here just like this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump forward, jump back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump forward, jump back. See, that's more than one way to skin a cat. Cool. So enjoy this alternative move. Just in case you can't get on the floor. So those are your top 3 moves of the day. I hope you enjoyed it. Look. Make sure you get the Super Stomach Shredder so I can personally coach you. All you need is a phone. A phone in my supplement line to get super sexy and super fine. Again, I train superstars, and I'm going to help you look like one too. This spring and this summer, I'm going to become your unfair advantage. So hop on the assembly line to get the Super Stomach Shredder membership, KENYACrooksNetwork.com, and let me help you. Go Pooch list, baby. Back fat list, baby. And look, I'm going to give you that high round booty, thick thighs that save lives, and I'm going to make this the most incredible spring and summer of your life.